Welcome to SethCraft. This is the MillRight Carve King 2. I have the pre-assembled version, which saves a tremendous amount of time, but there was no instruction booklet for how to connect the control board to all of the wiring back here. So let me go ahead and show you that real quick, and it will help you hopefully get this piece connected. Now you can find this information on the website, but I just wanted to show you here in a video. If you take a close-up look at the MillRight control box here, you've got the Y1 motor, the Y2 motor, the X motor, the Z motor, and then you have your X, Y, and Z limiters down here. So those are the main things we need to work with right here to get everything installed. If you take a close-up look at the motor cables, there is a blue, red, green, and black wire visible. So the main thing you have to keep in mind is the blue wire of these motor controllers needs to face the MillRight logo over here on the controller. So just when you look at, say, this is a Y right here, if I go up to the Y1 or Y2, it doesn't matter, then I can press that into position, making sure the blue wire is facing the logo there on the control board. So now I've got the second Y. So I can turn this so that the blue wire is also facing the MillRight logo. There we go. And the last of these is going to be the X, and that's going to go up there on the top. So hopefully that makes sense. Now, on all the limiters, it does not matter the direction that these go into. Because it's just a left and right side there. For a quick reference, you can see the blue side of all of these cables is facing the MillRight logo. So that's just a simple way of understanding which direction those cables need to go into. Alright, as you can see, it's pretty simple to just keep those blue wires facing towards the logo here on the control box, and you will be good to go. If you've enjoyed the video, make sure you hit that thumbs up button. I'm Seth with the SethCraft channel, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.